Hello everyone, and this is the part 2 of operations involving functions. And in this part, we will emphasize multiplication, division, and function composition. And let's proceed to another example. Okay, so example number 6. Let g of x be equal to x plus 4 divided by 6 and f of x be equal to 2x plus 6 divided by x. Find f times g of x. So dito, you will multiply yung dalawang function. So let's go. So kung gusto niyo mag-answer, pwede niyo to i-post. Kapag tapos na kayo, you can play this video. Okay, so let's go to the solution. Okay, so we have this one. We know it is multiplying both functions, and after that we just basically substitute it. So f of x become 2x plus 6 divided by x, then g of x, then become x plus 4. Basically nabaliktad lang to sila, but it's fine because multiplication is commutative. So like 2 times 1 is just the same as 1 times 2. Okay, so another one. Okay, that is substitution. And next step is we will simplify. So we know when we multiply fractions, we just basically multiply both numerators and denominators. So x plus 4 times 2x plus 6, so ganito na siya. And 6 times x, 6x. So pinag-isa na natin sila because yun, kasi i-multiply lang natin sila, diba? Then after that, so when you simplify these two quantities, you can do FOIL or any method you want to do, or any method you are comfortable with. So once it's simplified, so magiging 2x squared plus 14x plus 24, and don't forget yung divided by 6x. Okay guys, so typo error. So dapat may 6x dito sa ilalim ng 2x squared plus 14x plus 24. So sorry for the typo error. So dapat may 6x dapat dito. So anyways, let's proceed to another example. And this is this is already division. So we know that. Okay, so you can read this instruction, and if you want to answer, you can pause this video for a while, and after that you can play this video if you're already done. Okay, so let's proceed to the solution. Okay, so basically we just substitute it. So g of x, that is equal to x plus 4 divided by f of x, and f of x is equal to 2x plus 8. So dito na siya. So yeah, substitution. Then after that, we do the reciprocal, because we know when you divide a number with a fraction, the fraction would eventually like magbaliktad lang yun siya. So ang x dito nasa taas na, and yung 2x plus 8 nasa baba na. So it will become x plus 4 divided by 6 times x divided by 2x plus 8. Then so we will just multiply it. Okay, so yeah, we multiply lang natin to. So x times x plus 4 divided by 6 times 2x plus 8. So after that, you can do the factoring. Naunahan lang siya. Okay, so yeah, the double, sorry po. But anyways, so as you can see here, it seems that it looks like that this term is actually twice as this term, because if you divide this by 2, which is yung common factor ng terms dito, so it become like 2 times x plus 4, and yeah, so kalahati nga siya. I mean, so this term is the double is twice this term. Kasi kung times 2 mo to, it become 2x plus 8. So yeah, that's why we do the factoring. So it become x times x plus 4 divided by 6 times 2 times x plus 4. So after that, we will simplify it. So obviously, since you already factored it out, obviously we will divide x plus 4 and x plus 4, and that will become 1. So, yan. So, divide the common terms. And after that, simplify. So, that'll be x divided by 6 times 2, which is equal to x divided by 12. So, that is the answer of the problem. So, yun lang siya. So, as long as if you know factoring or the basics, you will be able to get this. So, if kung gusto niyo mag-ako ng video about this, then fine, mag-comment lang kayo. Kasi, yeah, medyo wala kasi akong whiteboard, pero sige na lang. I will try my best to teach you how to do the factoring thing. So, anyways, so let's proceed. And, okay, so, nandito na tayo sa function composition. Okay, definition. So, in mathematics, function composition is an operation that takes two functions f and g and produces a function h such that h of x, medyo technical ito. Okay, so I will just explain it. Okay, so, meron akong visual dito. So, ito. So, let's say may machine tayo. Let's say we have an ATM. Let's say there's a machine. So, let's say the ingredient to make bread. Okay, let's say the bread is this. G of f of x. So, yun siya. Then, okay, let's say, okay, so f of x, insert ko dito sa machine. Okay. So, basically, yung x ng g of x dito is just equal to, oh no, wait lang guys ha. Na ano siya. Okay, here we go. So in this case, the x of g of x is equal to f of x. So, yung x dito nasa loob ng g of x is just basically f of x. So, kung insert mo kasi siya, yung f of x sa x ng g of x, so that will become g of f of x. So, that's why naging ganito siya, because in this case, the function in the domain is the x of g of x. Okay. Yun lang siya. But if hindi nyo pa rin maintindihan, well, may examples tayo dito. So you will better understand. Probably. Yeah. Functions. Okay. Oh no. Okay, so if f of x is equal to fx plus 7, okay. Yan, nakita na yung solution, but it's fine. So, i-explain ko naman. So we have, okay, if f of x is equal to fx plus 7 and g of x equals to 69 plus x, find the value of f times g of x, which is equal to h of x. Okay, so basically, okay, so what we do here is, okay, so since we're going to find f g of x, in this case, the x of f of x is equal to g of x. So, tingnan nyo. Okay, let's do, okay, nasa yung pointer ko dito. Okay, nandito yung pointer ko. So, okay, look at this term. So, we know, okay, so, from f of x, naging f of g of x. So, paano yan siya? So, since we're going to find f of g of x, okay, in this case, the x of f of x, okay, yung x niya is equal to g of x. So, that's why, when we solve it, we substitute x of f of x with g of x. So, that's why it becomes 5 times 69 plus x. Because yung x ng f of x is just equal to g of x. Ito yun siya. Then after that, we will simplify that. That will become 345 plus 5x plus 7. Then after that, okay, so i-simplify mo lang siya. So that will become 5x plus 352. So ganun lang siya, guys. So basically, from the word composition, a function composes a function. Ganon siya. So from the word composition, so gi-compose lang siya. Yun lang siya. Just look at the keyword of the operation. So kung meaning ng compose is it contains. So like it's like a box contains a box. That is function composition. Okay? Okay, another example. Okay, this is the last example perhaps. So if f of x is equal to 5x plus 7, and okay, so basically same example. I think parang halos the same lang yun sila. Yeah, same values pa rin, but this time we will find g of f of x. Okay, so since we're going to find g of f of x, in this case the x of g of x is equal to f of x. Okay, so yeah, then another. Okay, so we substitute. Okay, so we know that g of x is equal to 69 plus x. So yung x ng g of x is equal to of f of x. So that's why gina-substitute natin yan siya, guys. Then after that, we do commutative property so that we will gather the terms that have variables and not. So yung only term dito may variable is 5x. So yung mga constants is 69 plus 7. So that's why commutative property natin sila para mas madali na lang yung proseso. Then after that, so we just add this 69 plus 7, that is equal to 76. Okay, so 5x plus 76 ang answer dito. So that is, so ito lang yung part 2. And I hope you learned something. And if you have any questions, you can ask me on the comment section. And that's it for today. And thank you very much.